So this is JJ, and what I'm about to show you is how to create an AWS account. So just to describe you what is an AWS. AWS is short for Amazon Web Services. Basically, AWS is a cloud platform offered by Amazon, the one that is selling, stuff online, selling things online. So yeah, they have like offering data centers, cloud data centers, and then there are other cool services that they offer, and which can be used for projects and build websites. Those things. There's a lot of things that you can do using AWS. So now what I'm going to show you is how to create account. So first thing first, go to your browser, type just maybe type AWS, and then it will show you a list of results related to AWS. You can click the first one, it's fine, or yeah, this one, aws.amazon.com. Just click this one, and then here at the upper right corner, there is this sign in, or maybe you can click this one. There's also a create an AWS account. So if you already have an account, definitely you can click sign in. But if you don't have, either click sign in. In the sign in uh, screen, there is a register link. Also here, if this is your first time, just click this one, create an AWS account. Now clicking this create an AWS account will redirect you to the sign up wizard. So here you have this uh, text box where you will input your email address. So basically, this is your login. The email is the one that you can use for your login once you successfully created your AWS account. And then this is your AWS account name. This can be anything. Okay. So in my case, maybe let's try to use my email. And then AWS account name. Let's give it a name of type copy. And then click verify email address. Definitely what it does is it will send you an email to this email with the confirmation code. So now I received one on my phone. I'm just going to check it. There you go. It will send you a 6 digit that you can enter. So this is in my case. And then click verify. So yeah, it says that this is really me. And then click your this is where you enter your root user password, and then basically this is your main password, and then this is where you confirm your password. So it's keep on saying root. Reason is you can create a multiple account, like this is your parent account, and then using the parent account you can create different user that that can access different services in AWS. So I'm going to enter a password here. I'm going to enter here also. And then now we're on step 2. How do you plan to use your AWS? I'm going to select personal. Who should we contact? Then you should contact me. And then phone number. I'm going to hide this, but going to enter my number. Okay, this is the part where you now need to enter your billing information. This is where you input your credit or debit card. It can be Visa, MasterCard, Amex, or Discovery. And then this is where you enter expiration date, the card holder's name, and then the billing address. Okay. Don't worry, guys. Uh, AWS won't bill you anything after you successfully log in because they will only charge you if you use uh, some resources in there or some of the services they offer. So if you don't do anything after successfully registering, then that's fine. You don't need to do it. And also, your account is secure. Okay, so I'm going to enter here my credit card, so we could proceed to step 4. I'm going to pause the recording for a minute. So now I'm done entering my credit card details. So now I'm on this step 4, and this is where I confirm my identity. Usually this is via text message, so you should have your phone besides you. I'm going to enter my country code here. Oops, this one, Philippines, and then my mobile number. And then I need to enter this CAPTCHA. And then let's see. I believe I should clicking send SMS. It should send you some text messages where you will enter the code. This is a 4-digit code. Then let's enter that. So now we're on the last step. So basically, this is where you will be asked for a support. So this is by default the free is selected. Now let's click complete sign up, and there you go. The congratulations is screen is showing saying that thank you for signing up. And now click to go to AWS Management Console. Okay, and then now we're back on the sign in or login screen. As you can see here, it says account ID, IAM username, and password. So we don't have IAM user yet. We're still using root. So let's click this little link here saying sign in using root user email. And then there you go. It's saying root user. So I'm going to enter here my email that I use in registering to AWS. Click next, and then this is the password that we use also. So let's enter and then sign in. Now it should redirect. Okay, we're redirected to the on the home screen of AWS. So there you go. That's it. This is how you create an AWS account. So thank you guys for watching. See you for the next tutorial. Bye.